Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة وإذ جعلنا البيت مثابة للناس وأمنا واتخذوا من مقام إبراهيم مصلى وعهدنا إلى إبراهيم وإسماعيل أن طهرا بيتي للطائفين والعاكفين والركع السجود. Translation. And when we made this house at Makkah a pilgrimage place for mankind and sanctuary, saying, take that maqam as your prayer place of worship where Ibrahim stood to pray. And we imposed duty on Ibrahim and Ismail, saying, keep my house clean and purified for those who perform tawaf, go around Kaaba, and for those who stay in itikaf to meditate, and those who bow and prostrate themselves in prayers. Prophet Ibrahim migrated from his country and went to Syria, where his wife Hazrat Sarah had a son Ishaq and they lived there. His second wife Hazrat Hajra had a son Ismail and they came to Mecca, and Prophet Ibrahim left them in Mecca as ordered by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the details of which we will inshallah study in Surah Ibrahim. Both Ibrahim and Ismail built Kaaba, and the details of which are coming inshallah in the next ayahs. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala used the word mathaba, which means a place to return. Hazrat Ibn Abbas raziyallahu ta'ala anhu said that people return again and again to Kaaba for making tawaf. So they do tawaf and they go back home and then they come back. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala used the word mathaba. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also used the word amna wa amna, meaning that we made this Kaaba a place of peace. And as we know that in Haram, no living thing can be killed. No human, no animal, no plant can be killed in the Haram. So this is a place of peace and sanctuary. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ مُصَلَّى, and that we make this maqam, and then make this Maqam Ibrahim a place to pray. And there are different narrations about it, but mostly the stone on which Ibrahim stood and built Kaaba is taken as Maqam Ibrahim. And this worked as a ladder, and this stone was sent by Allah from the paradise, as the stone Hajr Aswad was also sent from the paradise. And Ibrahim was standing on the stone, and Ismail was helping him in giving the building materials. And then and then this stone is still there, and the current government has put that stone in a small building of glass, so the stone can be seen through that glass, and the footprints of Ibrahim can easily be seen through the glass. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the end said that وَعَهِدْنَا إِلَىٰ إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَإِسْمَعِيلَ أَن طَهِّرَا بَيْتِيَ لِلطَّائِفِينَ وَالْعَاكِفِينَ وَالرُّكَّعِ السُّجُودِ, that we imposed duty on Ibrahim and Ismail keep my house clean and purified for those who perform tawaf, and for those who stay in itikaf to meditate, and those who bow and prostrate themselves in prayer. So this is referring to both type of cleanliness, physical and spiritual. Spiritual cleanliness includes not lying there, not cheating there, and not worshipping any idols and so forth. There is lots of sawab and good deeds in doing tawaf. Tawaf is walking around the Kaaba 7 times, and its reward is as if somebody has freed a slave, and on each step there is one good deed given by Allah and one bad deed removed by Allah. And praying in Haram is better than praying 100,000 prayers elsewhere. So let's pray that Allah take us to Kaaba. and haram. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.